Bircher muesli, a very popular breakfast. It's soaked oats, and usually you use some juice and yogurt, but instead of yogurt for my soaked oats, I'm going to be using kefir, which is a live fermented yogurt. It's got a wonderful tartness to it, and it's also really good for you. So into a bowl of oats, so these are just quick oats here, I'll add some cloudy apple juice. You could also use orange juice for this recipe. A pinch of cinnamon, always associate cinnamon with breakfast items just like this one. And we want about 300 mils of our kefir. It is going to be a little lumpy, but that's how it should be because it is a fermented product. We're also going to give that a quick mix. And this is where you can add a little bit of sweetness. So I'm going to add some honey, just the smallest amount. I'm keeping this super healthy. And for some extra sweetness, I'm going to be adding some golden kiwi fruit. So you'll need one, nice and ripe, so it's extra sweet. And we'll just top and tail the kiwi fruit, peel it, and this is the best way to do it, just to run a nice small sharp knife down the thin fibrous skin. Because I want that sweetness from it, I want to puree it. So into a jug, and I'll just quickly blend that until it's smooth. Great, that goes straight into our Bircher. Now I'll cover this with some cling film and it needs to go into the fridge to chill. While it's chilling, I'm just going to make a really quick fruit salad with a combination of pineapple, some more kiwi fruit, lychees, because I love lychees, and some lovely pink dragon fruit chunks. Colours are so good. Now to plate up, I'll just take the cling film off my Bircher. If it is too thick, you can add a little extra kefir just at the end and fold it through, and that is so yummy, so nutritious. I'll plate that up. I always start with the Bircher in the base of the bowl, a few generous spoonfuls. Our lovely tropical fruit salad on top. And I always feel with Bircher you need some crunch, so I have a combination of almonds and some toasted coconut over the top. A fantastic breakfast. Bircher, you usually use yogurt to soak the yolks, but I think it tastes just as good, maybe even better, with kefir.